Hi you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this Sunday reset routine. So it's a great day. The sun is shining. It is a little bit hot, but I am filming today and I'm so excited to take you guys along with me today for my little routine to get set up for the work week. So I work from home and I really try to prep out all of my meals, well, most of my meals throughout the week, just so I know that I'm going to the grocery store. I know that I'm going to get food and what food I'm going to get, because it is way too common for me to go to the grocery store, spend all this money on food, and then not have anything to make a meal. So that's on the agenda today. I am going grocery shopping, we're cleaning, we're resetting, and we're just getting those good Sunday vibes, and we're gonna start the week off great. And like this video if you are gonna start the week off good also, and let me know if you guys have a Sunday routine as well. So you guys saw that I just took the sheets off my bed. So typically on Sundays, I really like to wash the sheets. It gets me in that like fresh, cozy mindset to start the week, but I feel like I'm starting to come alive. I have coffee in my system and today is gonna be a great day and I'm taking you guys with me. So on the agenda, grocery shopping, we're cleaning, we're going to the gym, we're going to do things that we wanna do because it's Sunday and that we can do that. But anyway, we are gonna go ahead and get right into the video. Let's go. What do you think? I have Teddy. I have Teddy. What do you think? You don't like the sheets off the bed, do you? You want to go back to bed? You want to go back to bed? Yeah, do you? Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Oh, thank you. It never fails to amaze me how rude some people can be. And I know I'm not saying everybody, it's not all the time, but my biggest pet peeve, I was just in the gym. I was coming out of the sauna. I hold this door open for this lady and I'm like, oh, are you coming in here? Here's the door. And she doesn't say anything, like completely silent. So then she takes the door and then I turn around, I'm like, okay. And then just like walk out. I'm like, what is the point? Like, I can't stand people who are just like rude for no reason. And granted, this lady might have something going on, like internally something's happened in her life, but it's not that hard to say, yeah, thank you. So anyway, it is now time to go grocery shopping. We're just gonna brush that off. I'm gonna show you guys my little list that I have for groceries this week. And I'm gonna show you kind of how I plan the meals for this week. So let's do it. Okay, here we are. So Sunday we have a salmon, zucchini, and squash. So I do like this zucchini and squash and red sauce, but then I have like meal prep for Monday and Tuesday, and then I kind of plan out what we want for like Monday through Thursday, and then like Friday and Saturday we're not really at home too often, and then just like my little list of stuff to get. So I kind of just write it out on the notes app on my phone, and then I also do these printables I showed you guys in a different video, and you guys loved hearing like what we have for dinner and like making meals and stuff. So we are very healthy, and yeah, this is kind of what we have scheduled for the week. And then obviously I go into the grocery store and buy a whole bunch of stuff that wasn't on the list, but anyways, let's just go and do it. bye.